Hello guys, welcome to Homemade CGI. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to create animated fur using Blender. So let's get started with a small intro. Alright guys, let's set up the camera first. Select the camera, Alt-R, Alt-G and rotate it to 90 degrees on the x-axis by pressing R, X, 90 and then enter, and grab the camera by pressing G and Y to move it on the y-axis and get the camera here. Yeah, now delete this cube and add a UV sphere. Now we're going to open the object panel, quick effects and quick fur. Yeah, there you go, you have your fur. Just kidding. Okay, now open particle settings. Now if you want to increase your hair, you can increase in the number by just dragging, or you can just set up a number, but for me 1000 is okay. Now open hair dynamics. Okay, but I am not going to do that. Now I'm going to increase the hair length. Yeah, 0.45 is okay for me. Yeah, now switch to particle edit. Now you assume this brush is like combed. See, you can just drag the hair down, drag the hair up, or you can just do whatever you want. So I'm going to drag the hair down. Okay, see, now, and okay, you just need to drag this down, 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 and in all the ways. Okay, yeah, see, in all the sides you have to switch the sides and you need to like drag the hair down. Okay, this is the same process which many animation studios use to make the hair of the animating characters. Okay, yeah, my fur is ready, I think. Yeah, now let's switch to camera view by pressing numpad 0. Yeah, now we're going to browse the location where our rendered image should render. So let's go to output properties and browse your location. Accept. Now, yeah, let it be PNG and set the end value to 1 and change this to cycles, set the render value to 30, and you can see that we got a material named fur material. So change this color, change the color to blue, I guess. Now switch to object mode. You can see the fur, but it's not like fur. So what I'm going to do is render animation so that you can get a clear view. So it will take some time. I'll just pause the recording. And there you go, you have your fur. Boom. Okay, now let's switch to Blender, and now we're going to animate this fur. Okay, now get this fur here by pressing G, X, and get the fur here. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are just going to animate it. Before that, let's G and middle mouse and drag the camera a little bit. Yeah, this one's okay, and get this here, get the sphere here, yeah, nice. Now what I am going to do is set the end value to 140. Okay, now at 20, the keyframe 20, I want this to be here at the frame 20. I want this sphere to be there, and I to add a keyframe and location rotation. Okay, now at 40 I want this sphere to be here. Yeah, here, there. Now location rotation. Okay, that sounds cool. Now open output properties and set this to FFmpeg. Now hit the render button, render and render animation. You will see the magic. So I'll just pause the recording. Okay guys, after the whole rendering completes, here how it looks like. Yeah, there you go. You have your super cool fur effect. So I hope you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe and click the bell icon and set it to all to get instant notifications whenever I upload a new video. See you next time in a new video guys. Until then, bye.
Hello, I'm Baymax. Like, share and subscribe to the Homemade CGI channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell notifications and set it to all.